DFA chairman. I think and then the Congress business, football business, and the Shemra ever got football now for the next season. The next season, yes, you know, I don't mind. Let's say a season. On the 16th and 17th February. Now, Joe somebody has said 22nd to 3rd of February. We are late. Now, the reason is late is the auditions because we have a lot of the main one is about our pitches. You know, if we want to get good quality football, it's about the pitches. But we don't have pitches, quality pitches in the South here. It's like I said, we involve the politicians. But unfortunately for us, we have changed government, and the MP for the first time in the South have been changed to the NDC candidate. It's, you know, now I'm a delayed, but thank God. We are able to have our progress today, which I'm very happy. Say we can see a link very, very soon. I'm about next week, all the league centers will start their leagues. All the clubs start their league by next week. That's some of the things that you can or Congress. Now, so you swear new officers because we are very, very much interested in investing into the clubs now. You are creating a office of the sponsorships, and we will be looking at the sponsorship side of the district. Now, so you and this how do you call it? Clubs. So they're looking at the referees. So this time we want to go by the young referees. So we have adopted the national policy, the Captain Young, and then Osha Aaron Maxwell, who is the premier referee. Is our Aaron going to help for us to get the referees so they can do the work for the district. And this is how the this is, you know, a well improved league in their district. So this is some of the
Chairman, so this year, Nathan said, this is the first time I went to me and I'm a cabo as a Grappling South. Now, a two districts and I feel my cambo. Bacho, Plambio, again, Yansha Mim say, and Marie Libra, Yansha, and our district, and she will. That's okay. I think so. The South and there. Now, first, now we have a bridge. The Captain South. Before trans, I'm moving one more. Dear boy, Captain South. Let up north now. I'm also. Even after as I speak to you, we only have one juvenile club, which is how do you call it? That's Action Boys from the youth side. And even speaking to you now, they are not in the existence. They are not even participating. It's almost about they realize say, why can't we merge us together so that we'll be having one leader to take control over the full side? You know, we went to election and we had the election, you know. So now I'm the DFA chairman for the Kapu staff. No more everydays. We have met together, and I'll make sure say, you know, the main reason we form a football club. No, it's a business. Football is not a business. So we make sure say the clubs also have something to make sure say we have proper structure so that you can also get players into the football market and make some money out of it, so that they can also you know get something from their investment. But, you know, I'm looking at this Gami Aduma by season, you know, they can also have something from their investment. Chairman, what do you mean? This is watch out. See, district, you move here. You must say teams.
ɛyɛ nika yi ma ebisa sɛ obi a ɔn register yɛ na ɔfɛ kwan abɛdwene ne ɛyɛ district ɛkwan da wa na kwan bɛ na ɔnfa so ansa na wɔtumi arɛkyi mu na
I think I've said it here, said maybe Nyamia before next season, maybe we don't go, the Congress will come, the Congress will be held in this week because the better also match and the numbers I have, the one in there. Me try my best, say we can bring in more clubs so that we can be part of the Bafem sub-district so that the better also Nama competition are very keen and interested.
Any advice to new coaches and new clubs about any way to them there?
Football is not a business, and when you go to the football market, nobody is looking for how they call it, mature players, and I say old players. You know, even the old players, how many times can they play, and how many can they play? I think we have to make sure we are investing into the young, so that we can have more football playing time, so that we can make something out of them. You know, when you go and bring the maritime football, you don't even take instruction from you. You not even play to where you want to get to. No, but when you invest into the children, and I say the youth age now, before they got to that level, we really got what you want from them.
Yeah, that's the way.
That's